Another session of ham radio exam preparation is here with multiple choice questions followed by discussion with illustrations. The transformer works on the principle of A. Self-inductance, B. Mutual inductance, C. Both A and B, D. None. Transformer works on the principle of mutual inductance for transforming voltage, current and impedance. It has a primary and a secondary coil with magnetic flux linkage. Alternating current passing through one coil induces a current in the other coil. The two coils can be wound one on top of the other or on two limbs of a continuous magnetic core, typically a laminated one, to prevent eddy currents. Alternate option is a toroidal transformer wound on a ferrite toroid. Voltage in the secondary winding is related to that in the primary winding according to the ratio of number of turns on both sides. If the primary winding has more turns than the secondary winding, it acts as a step-down transformer and vice versa. Here is a step-down transformer used in linear power supplies with outer cover removed to show the laminated core inside. Circuit mounted on the breadboard is a bridge rectifier along with a high value filter capacitor to smooth out the ripples in the rectified direct current. This picture shows different types of inductors which work on the principle of self-inductance. Couple of them are wound on toroidal cores while another is wound on a ferrite rod. Inductors are used in tuned circuits and band pass filters in radios. The frequency of oscillation of a series resonant circuit is A. F equal to 1 by 2 pi into root of LC. B. F is equal to 1 by pi into root of LC. C. F equal to 2 pi into root of LC. D. None of the above. When an inductor and a capacitor are connected in series, the reactance of the inductance tends to cancel the capacitive reactance. So the total reactance will be the difference between the inductive and capacitive reactances. Reactance of the inductor is directly proportional to the frequency, while that of capacitor is